Welcome to another recipe. Today we are making sesame chicken. Let's begin. In a bowl, add 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 clove garlic, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Add your 300 grams chicken breast and mix well. Add half a cup of flour and coat the chicken. Now add a generous amount of oil for frying. Fry the chicken pieces until brown and crispy. Now let's make the sauce. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup water with 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons sugar. Add the sauce mixture to a pan and let it simmer until sugar dissolves. And then add a tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in water to thicken the sauce. Once your sauce is thick enough, add the chicken pieces and toss. Finally, add some sesame seeds and serve. Enjoy! For more amazing recipes, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Or you can visit us at lookandcook.com.